Jess and welcome to my channel. Okay guys, so for today's video I'm going to share with you 3 Dollar Tree DIYs that I made this week, and I'm so happy how these 3 projects turned out. And I really hope that you like it. If you do, you can give me a big thumbs up because it really helps to support my channel. And guys, if you are not subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell to get notified every time I upload a new video. As always, let me know in the comments which project was your favorite, and let's get started to this Dollar Tree DIY. Hola mis amores y bienvenidos a mi canal nuevamente. Muy contenta de que estés aquí un día más conmigo. Y mis amores, para esta semana les tengo 3 DIYs que hice utilizando materiales de Dollar Tree. Salen sumamente económicos de hacer. El resultado, increíble. Y espero realmente de todo corazón que a ti también te guste. Si es así, me puedes dar un bonito like porque le ayuda siempre muchísimo a que este canal siga creciendo. Y si eres nuevo por aquí, asegúrate de que estás suscrito a mi canal y que actives esta campanita de notificaciones, que es muy importante para que tu teléfono te notifique cada vez que yo suba un nuevo video. Y si quieres ver cómo hice estos 3 DIYs utilizando materiales de Dollar Tree, solo quédate viendo.
Okay guys, so for our first project, I got this basket in Dollar Tree and I really like the shape and the pattern it has. Just perfect to make a tray with this beautiful basket. So for the legs of the tray, you can use many things. Maybe like these napkin rings and they will look great. I think that's a great option. But in this occasion, I will use these table tennis balls from Dollar Tree too. The package brings 6, but I'm only going to need 4 to glue it to the basket. You can use maybe E6000 glue or super glue. As I said, there are many things that you can use for the legs of the tray, but I really like how they look with these balls. And once you have them glued, you must let them dry well. And then to paint them, I will be using my metallic silver spray paint. I'm going to give it a coat of paint and let it dry, and this is how it will look. From there, I want to create a galvanized look because I love it so much, and for that I will be using this peter gray and white color. I get this from Walmart, and first I apply the peter gray color with this brush. I get this brush at Walmart. I think they are so cheap, and I'm gonna be creating spots on my entire tray. Then I use the white color and I did the same until I create the galvanized look I want. Guys, I realized that while I was painting, I put a lot of force on the top of the tray and then the balls folded. But they work, and it's not going to be seen when we place decoration on the tray, so it's okay for me. To decorate your tray, you can use maybe rope or ribbons. You can use many things, but I really want to make it a little more rustic because I just love it, and I'm going to use my burnt umber color. And with this sponge, I will be highlighting the tray, especially at the edges. And I really love to make this tray like this because it serves for any occasion, for any season of the year, and you can also place it in the bathroom. I think it's gonna look perfect and it comes out very budget friendly. For the second project, I will use this beautiful mason jar sign. I really like the shape, but I'm going to change the color it has. I don't know, just to make it look more neutral. And the first thing I have to do is to remove all the wood cord that has stuck in the top part of the sign. I'm going to work in the back of the sign, and I have to take out that, oh my god, that sticker it has, and then sand it just to look nice and clean, and the glitter that has on the front side as well, just to prevent that it's not going to be falling in my project. From there, I will use this scrapbook paper. It's from Hobby Lobby. They are so cool, they are beautiful, have many designs, and I really like the pattern it has, and they are, I think, for $1, and I think they are just a great deal. So I take this one, and the first thing I did is to cut a piece, and I'm going to put a layer of Mod Podge on all my sign. Then I will paste the scrapbook paper on the top, and I'm going to put another layer of Mod Podge on it, and this will help to create like a protective layer for your sign, and you should try to take out all the bubbles that it has inside. Once it is dry, you must cut all the scrapbook paper that you have like extra. You could also cut the paper before. There are many ways to do it, but I really think that you need to do what works better for you. From there, I use my Revely chalk paint in elephant color, and I will be painting the top or like the lid of my mason jar sign. I'm also going to paint all the edges of the same color, and if you want, maybe the back of your sign. When it dries with black paint and a fine brush, I will be marking lines just to create a more realistic look on the lid of the mason jar and also on the edges of your sign. From there, I'm going to put this vinyl sticker that I made with my Cricut machine that says Home Sweet Home. I place it on a transfer paper, and then I stuck it in the center of my sign, and I love it because it's super neutral. From there, I decide to put youth core again on the top of the sign, and this time I just want to change a little bit. I don't want to put like a bow. I decide to stick these pine cones from a Dollar Tree. I love them because they smell so good. So I put 3 in the smaller size that my package brings. Once you're finished, this will be the result of your second project, and I'm very happy because it was what I wanted. A beautiful mason jar sign, and beside that, it smells so good. So I'm so happy. I really love it. Okay, for our last project, guys, I will be doing a farmhouse lighting. I'm so happy for this last project. It's my favorite, so stay tuned. The first thing I'm going to use is this Halloween decor, and you must remove the skeleton head above. From there, I'm going to cut that little piece of plastic that just stand out to provide a flat surface. Now I will use these handcuffs that were left over from a previous project. I'm going to lay down below, and I'm just going to use the chain this time. So I have to cut and separate the other part. As you can see, it is plastic chain. It is not too strong, but it's perfect for this project. But you need to make a few changes because the chains open. So I will be sticking them with my E6000 or maybe your super glue just to prevent the chains from being left and stay much stronger. And then I will be placing it on this base that we just cut before. I want my lighting to be attached to the wall, so this is the best way to place this. Then I decide to put a magnet from Dollar Tree as well on this part of the holder for 2 things. First, to help me that the chain is not going to fall, and the second one is just because it gives a nice touch to this piece. To paste it, you can use E6000 or super glue and let it dry well. For the light holder, you can use many things just depending on the design you like. It can be maybe like this round box or maybe a plunger that gives it a very pretty shape. But this time I decided to use this plastic Dollar Tree margarita glass that I love. It has the perfect shape and it was what I was looking for this DIY. So this is what I decided to use. So the first thing it is to cut the entire base of the cup. From there, with my Dremel, I will sand the glass, just trying to make like a gap or a cavity. And I know maybe a couple of you are going to ask about this Dremel, so in the description box of the video, I'm going to be leaving the link of where you can get it. This little gap or cavity will help me to better support the chain so I can hang it. I think this is the best option and it really works for me. I put my E6000 glue just to make sure that the chain and the cup are strongly glued together, and then I decide to use jute cord and I begin to wind it around just to make it extra secure. I put fire very carefully to burn all the hairs that have the jute cord, and you must let it dry for a couple hours so that it is not going to break. When it is dry, this is how your farmhouse lighting is going to look. It's super strong. And then I decide that I want to paint my lamp in black color. So I use my ultra matte black spray paint and I give him a coat of paint. Let it dry very well, and then for the light I decide to use this LED light bulb that has battery, and you can find this at Dollar Tree. For me, this is the best option. I'm going to cut this little piece that has the light, and then I'm going to put enough E6000 glue and I'm going to combine it with hot glue to dry it quickly. When it is dry, to be able to place all the hanging on the wall, I need to put a base to help me and hold better on the wall. And I use this circular wood plaque. It is from Michael's and cost me just $1. So I think it is perfect, but it's very big maybe, and it's not gonna fit on the plastic piece. So I decide to sand the wood in the size and the way I need, and again I use my Dremel just because it is the easiest and fastest way. As you can see, it fits perfectly in my plastic piece, but before pasting it I need to make a hole. So I decide to use my drill, but I don't know why I make a huge hole. I don't know why. Oh my god. Then my hubby come to the rescue and made a smaller one, which I could put a nail on it, and it fits perfect. So thank you so much, baby. And hey, gives my husband a big thumbs up. He's my hero. Thank you, baby. From there, I just hit it using my hot glue and my E6000 glue. You need to verify that the wood is centralized, and then let it dry for a couple hours. And guys, this will be the result of my last project, and I left the natural color that the wood was bringing just because I think it looks very beautiful and it brings another texture to this project, and I really love it. It is my favorite and I feel very proud of how this project turned out. And guys, I want you to let me know which was your favorite projects in the comments of this video, and give me a big thumbs up if you like my DIYs. Remember to subscribe to my channel and share this video with friends and family. I love you. Thank you for staying until the end, and we will see you this Sunday with my 5 minutes crafting video. Mwah! Love you so much. Have a beautiful day, guys. Bye.